Alright, let's talk about Independence Day, the 4th of July. It's a day filled with vibrant celebrations, a true hallmark of American culture. It's more than just barbecue, though the smell of grilling food certainly adds to the festive atmosphere. Fireworks painting the night sky with dazzling colors and booming sounds, and a red, white, and blue overload. From flags waving proudly to festive decorations adorning homes and streets, the patriotic spirit is palpable. This is the story of how America became, well, America, a journey marked by courage, determination, and a relentless pursuit of freedom. Let's rewind to 1776, a pivotal year in American history, a time of great upheaval and transformation. 13 British colonies nestled on the East Coast were tired of being bossed around from across the Atlantic, feeling the weight of unjust rule and distant governance, decided they wanted to call their own shots, to forge their own destiny and create a nation founded on principles of self-governance. Taxes, unfair laws, imposed without their consent, no voice in government, a cry of taxation without representation echoed throughout the colonies. People had had enough. The simmering discontent had finally reached a boiling point. So, on July 2nd, the Continental Congress voted for independence, a momentous decision that would forever alter the course of history. 2 days later, July 4th, they approved the Declaration of Independence, a document that would become a beacon of hope for oppressed people around the world, famously written by Thomas Jefferson, a brilliant mind and a passionate advocate for liberty. That's the day America officially said, with unwavering resolve and a unified voice, we're doing our own thing, charting our own course and building a nation based on our own values. But back then, the news didn't travel fast. It took time for word to spread and for the spirit of independence to ignite across the land. There were no fireworks right away. The technology for such grand displays was still in its infancy, and definitely no grilling hot dogs. Those culinary traditions would come later, evolving over time to become staples of the American celebration. Instead, the first celebrations were wild. Spontaneous expressions of joy and relief, parades marching through the streets with pride and a newfound sense of purpose, bonfires, blazing symbols of freedom and the burning away of the old order, even the ringing of bells, a chorus of chimes echoing the birth of a new nation. Over the years, it's turned into this massive national party, a collective expression of patriotism and a shared celebration of American identity. Fireworks light up the sky, a dazzling spectacle that captivates audiences of all ages. Families gather, strengthening bonds and creating lasting memories, and nearly every town in America throws its own bash. From small-town parades to large-scale festivals, the spirit of celebration is contagious. It's about more than just the party, though. Beneath the surface of the festivities lies a deeper meaning and a profound sense of national pride. The 4th of July is a reminder, a powerful symbol of the values and principles upon which this nation was founded, of what people can accomplish when they come together, united by a common cause and a shared vision, when they stand up for what they believe in, when they dare to challenge the status quo and fight for a better future. It's about freedom, the cornerstone of American identity and the driving force behind its historical journey, and the ongoing journey of a nation constantly evolving and striving to create a more perfect union, trying to live up to its ideals, to ensure that liberty and justice are truly for all. I love the traditions, the time-honored customs that bring us together and connect us to our shared heritage, whether that's a backyard barbecue with friends, sharing laughter and good food in the warm summer air, catching a parade, waving flags and cheering on the participants as they march by, or just kicking back and watching the fireworks, relaxing under the stars and marveling at the beauty of the display. And every year, when I hear the national anthem, its powerful melody stirring a sense of pride and unity, or see those fireworks burst in the night sky, each explosion a reminder of the sacrifices made to secure our freedom, I remember the courage it took to get here, the unwavering determination of the founding fathers and the countless individuals who fought for independence. So this Independence Day, as we celebrate with friends, family, and community, when you're lighting sparklers, they're tiny flames representing the spark of freedom that ignited a revolution, or grabbing another helping of potato salad, a classic dish that embodies the spirit of American picnics and gatherings, take a second to think about what we're really celebrating, to reflect on the meaning of freedom and the responsibility that comes with it. It's more than just a day off. It's a day to honor the sacrifices of those who came before us and to reaffirm our commitment to the ideals of liberty and justice. It's a piece of our shared history, a legacy of courage, resilience, and the unwavering pursuit of a better future. Happy 4th of July, everyone. May your day be filled with joy, laughter, and a deep appreciation for the freedoms we enjoy.